we are not playing with the fashion. We are playing with our technology, whereby our body needs that. Gain the trust from the users, the benefit from the products. That is the key motto for us. I'm Samantha Peh. I'm Operation Manager from MediFeet. I've been with this company for 7 years. I never expected that I will come into this position because my background is actually, I'm an accountant. The reason I get into this area because there is a big influence by my husband's side that they are the shoemaker family. 25 years ago, when I was still a teen, I saw my grandmother actually went through a very bad arthritis. So that's where my mom, my parents, and all my aunties, we've been searching around what are the solutions can be done for my grandmother. But during that time, nobody actually tell us what can be done. There is a reason that when we see this type of health shoes in overseas, especially Western country, is actually widely create awareness to the publicity that how important our feet are. But in Southeast Asia, no. That's where when we decided to bring MediFeet back into Malaysia, I actually quit my job and involved in this business. MediFeet started in 2013. We actually see the opportunity of this brand can grow very well in Southeast Asia, whereby the original of this brand is from New Zealand. It started very small scale in New Zealand as a podiatrist clinic, only cater for people who has a foot problem. When the time we bring in MediFeet to Malaysia, I think we are the only one see the opportunity that the awareness needed to be created in Southeast Asia. Nothing start easy, especially things are pretty new in the market, and you want people to accept it. What's so special about this product? How to distinguish between the normal shoe, the ordinary shoe, and the shoe that you claim with health components. It makes us a lot of effort. We used to go to hospital, knock door by door, just to get the orthopedic or the healthcare professional to listen to what we have, but most of the time they shut us down. They don't find the need, during that time it's not the requirement for the hospital to introduce this type of footwear to the patients. And then we actually successfully penetrated to the market is ever since we started our uniform footwear, whereby a lot of nurses actually wearing our shoes. From there, they find it, they can feel the difference between wearing the normal shoes and the health shoes. And then slowly we build, of course, our quality going to be very good. That's where we gain the trust from our users. We want people to trust on us. So the money-making part is actually not really in our plan. And then the benefit from the products, that is the key motto for us. Basically, people who has a leg problem, from very minimum until amputation of their leg can come to us, because our service, we tied up with our principal in New Zealand, whereby a group of podiatrists and podiatrists, they are professional on doing modifications of the footwear, and also they are good at doing custom-made shoe for any medical related problem. We are not running fashion design. That's where a lot of people, when they first step into any MediFeet shop, they will find that the shoe looks not as fashionable. But then we have to let our users understand we are not playing with the fashion, but we are playing with our technology, whereby our body needs that. For the instant one, we have Energy Step. It's a new collection, new technology that we just launched since last year. This Energy Step can actually not only shock absorbing. When you step on it, they can actually give you the bounce. The bounce gives you more energy to step forward. So the innovative part, we will make sure we will bring the benefits or new technology to our users at least once a year. I really need to say a big thank you to the dealers and agents who went through with us from very beginning. Yeah, because they are like our arm and soldiers. Yeah, with only our internal staff is not enough to push MediFeet that far. So this one I really appreciate that, and they are still growing with us. We find very satisfied when we see our agents from one person who just wanted to start up a business and now they own 5 to 6 branches. Yeah, so we want to grow together with them and continue this. This is going to be a long run continuity business partner. We started our first branch in Shah Alam since 2014. And then when we see the market demand increasing, our company has a direction of going to a retail line. That's where we expand from 2013 till today, 2020, become 20 over branches at this moment. This thing never stopped us. We are actually also expanded to Thailand, and we also in this Singapore, and then we also expanded in Australia, whereby many podiatrist center they're actually selling to their patients. We actually come out a lot of ranges, start from young kids up to old age. We want to give people the knowledge that how important that the prevention should start early. The early age, we should introduce this type of footwear. I think should start from a toddler when the child just learn to walk. I mean, last time, a lot of people, they find the kids walk tiptoe are normal. Actually, it's not normal. As they grow, the tiptoe problem should be easing. But if you see your child still walking tiptoe, you know, bow leg, whereby very common happen in the child, you should seek for proper correction. We are still building it. We are still doing our event every now and then. We are still improving in our product innovation. Never stop. We actually open up the franchisee for more people. We want more people to benefit. Some area we are not able to cover. We actually welcome those area people. If they see this business opportunity, they can actually come to us. We want to continue convey the importance of choosing the right footwear to our users, more publicity that choosing the right footwear, and if you have a foot problem, you have place to go, which is where MediFeet is. To start up a business never come easy. As long as you need to trust on your products and your direction has to be very precise, you know what is the product going to bring the benefits to the people. I think we should focus on that and never take it easy.